everyone, I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing located at 817 Galt Terrace in Sunnyvale. My name is Rabia and I'm your local Sunnyvale real estate expert. Today I'm here at the Echo community, which is located in the Vale neighborhood of Sunnyvale. Come with me and let's take a look to see if this could be your next future home. This spacious floor plan is adored by many home buyers because of the natural light that shines through on all the levels with unobstructed views of the Greenbelt and community center. This home is located in the most ideal street of the community. As you enter the home and make your way to the main living area, you are greeted with an open concept living room, dining room, and kitchen with hardwood floors. This kitchen is accompanied by an oversized pantry, and laundry is also featured on this level. The large patio door off the living room provides access to the oversized balcony that overlooks the Greenbelt. On your way upstairs, you are greeted with 3 spacious bedrooms. First, you'll find the bright and oversized owner suite with dual sinks and a spacious walk-in closet. Both secondary bedrooms provide ample closet space and natural light. Additionally, you'll find a large hallway bathroom. Downstairs, you'll find a spacious bonus room and half bathroom, great for an additional entertainment room, office, or home gym. Homeowners love living here in the Vale community because of its proximity to major Silicon Valley companies such as Google, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, and many more. Easy access to coffee, dining, and shopping in downtown Sunnyvale, as well as access to several community parks, makes this home a perfect fit. This move-in ready townhouse is waiting for you to call it home. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of 817 Galt Terrace. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a showing, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I look forward to seeing you at the open house this weekend.